Everybody ate breakfast together, and then me and Dion stayed behind. We're gonna have some marshmallows indoors because we just can't wait. I'm just using this alcohol stove to cheat a bit. Then got my titanium cutlery kit here somewhere. I'm gonna use the titanium chopsticks. He's getting some char on there. Wow. Another one.
So they're gonna get treated a certain way. So as of right now, I think
Dion's kind of charring his.
is crazy for a channel.
Guess we like them different.
I think he only
I'm not giving mine that
videos,
much.
and this is one of them. So he obviously made this video and it blew up. And once you get a video that blows up, of course you're gonna get people reacting to it inevitably. And I'm gonna focus in on one such individual who reacted to it. And so that's what we're largely gonna be debunking. One of these reactors that came onto that video, in my video, because I've got quite a lot to say about this, because I'm passionate about it, obviously. That's my position in the world, too, being a black man that doesn't quite fit in. So, let's get right into this. So this guy that reacted to this video, his name is Young Don Reacts. He's with another black dude with a reaction channel. Pretty much, you know the type. You've seen these guys. They've been around YouTube for a long time. The lines of like, oh, you don't necessarily hate that kind of music unless you specifically try to be anti-black. Well, no, that's not true. Most black music does.
Dion's editing his video.
To it, you know, like they tend to sing and dance to things that are very superficial, related to your superficiality. BET. Look at what's on the TV. Look at all the prominent black people in the black community. He's got a lot of money.
Chilling here in the sun. This is a nice spot to relax after doing all the dishes again every day, right? I even cleaned the big metal tray so we can cook like a big slab of meat. Make a nice proper gravy and potatoes and all kinds of delicious vegetables and stuff. Have a proper meal, you know. I think Mike is gonna be up for it. I can cook it. We should probably get the meat out of the freezer, or maybe we should go for it tomorrow. Just buy the ingredients today, go for it tomorrow, so we have some time to de-thaw the meat. Yeah. Alright, you can end it.
Pretty good idea with the neighborhood, like.
It's a pretty small neighborhood.
Yeah, but the town itself is small.
Yeah. I think it's like 15,000 citizens or something like that in this town. Me and Dion, we're going to the supermarket, just gonna get a few bits and bobs. Mike gave me some money, So Dion can save a bit. He's been kind of going over budget a bit, having to invest in some of these unforeseen things. But it's just like a one-time thing. Once you got a multi USB-C charger, you don't really need to get another, right? But yeah, let's go to the supermarket before they close.
Can't wait to see what my paycheck looked like to Friday.
Oh yeah, you're still getting paid.
Yeah.
Yeah, that might lighten the load a little bit on the current expenses you already incurred. They're out of dishwashing soap. Good thing I got some. I'm remaking what I made yesterday, but just properly with rice and more sauce this time. Check it out. Quite an immaculate dinner, right? It doesn't go together, but it's still pretty delicious. Dion didn't want that much rice. Let's go. Delicious, right?
That's crazy how much even Chinese women have been westernized.
Yeah, it's over, man.
It's not even their cultural heritage.
Dude, the whole planet is becoming westernized, thereby being Americanized. Look at the birth rates. Look at the reported happiness by women. It's going down everywhere.
I swear to God, America's the worst thing that ever happened to the world.
And everyone's trying to copy him. Check out this food my friend made for me. It's a chicken burger and some bacon, pasta, onions. It's just great. Middle of the night food. Bit of cheese too.